Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable picture-in-picture mode in Vivaldi browser. The pop-out video feature in Vivaldi browser, also known as picture-in-picture PIP, allows you to display HTML file videos in a floating window so that you can continue watching the video while scrolling down a page or changing tabs. For instance, I have opened a video to enter in picture mode. You will see a button here. You can click on this one button. This will load the video of that tab. Otherwise, you can right click and again right click on the video. That means you need to right click twice on the video and you will see here picture in picture option. Just select this one option to enter in picture mode, and in case you want to close this one picture in picture mode, you can use this one close button, or you can click on this one back to tab. This will restore that tab video on your Vivaldi browser. In case you want to enable or disable this whole picture in picture button, click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select settings option. Under settings of Vivaldi browser, select this one web pages in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find picture in picture button on videos option. Just uncheck this option to disable this one picture in picture button. And in case you want to enable this picture in picture button, you need to check this one option picture in picture button on videos. After making the changes, close the Vivaldi browser and reopen to apply the changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.